Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
A toilet making noise when not in use typically indicates one of two issues. 1. Phantom flushing, often caused by a flapper valve not sealing correctly, allowing water to leak into the bowl. 2. Water hammer or pressure issues. This can cause pipes to make noise. Solution: check the flapper valve for wear and replace it if necessary, or install a water hammer rester or pressure regulator if the noise is pipe related.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.